What if I told you that a good night's sleep might not be as crucial as you think? Could simply thinking you slept well boost your brain power and brighten your mood? Join me as we dive into the unexpected world of placebo sleep. One may certainly quickly think, how can your mind convince your body that you're well rested when you're not? What are the real benefits of this placebo sleep? And could this change how we approach sleep and mental health? Let's see what science has to say. Sleep is often touted as the cornerstone of health, cognitive function, and mood regulation. Yet studies have begun to show that our perception of sleep might be just as important as the sleep itself. Here is how the mind can play tricks on the body in ways that could revolutionize our understanding of rest.
Imagine you've only had a handful of hours of restless sleep, but someone convinces you that you've slept like a log. How does this affect you? Researchers have found that people who were told they slept well, despite actual poor sleep quality, performed better on cognitive tasks and reported higher mood levels. In one study, participants were given either accurate or misleading information about their sleep quality. Those who believed they slept well, even when they didn't, showed improved performance in memory tests, problem solving, and even had a more positive outlook on life. This phenomenon raises questions about the role of expectation in our physiological responses. Okay, here's the twist. The power of placebo sleep isn't just about tricking the mind, it's about harnessing the brain's incredible ability to alter its own chemistry. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which affect mood and cognition, can spike based on belief alone. This suggests that our mental state can significantly influence our physical state, potentially offering a new tool for combating sleep-related issues like insomnia or depression.
But how does this work? It's all about the brain's neuroplasticity, its ability to change and adapt. When you believe you've had a good night's sleep, your brain can rewire itself to reflect that belief, enhancing cognitive functions and mood. Interestingly, this belief can come even by using simple affirmations of a good sleep. This doesn't mean we should ignore poor sleep habits, but it opens up an interesting avenue for simple psychological interventions, such as affirmations. So, what have we learned? The placebo effect of sleep shows us that our minds are far more powerful than we give them credit for. By believing in the restorative power of sleep, we can actually reap some of its benefits, even when our sleep has been suboptimal. This isn't to say we should forego sleep, but rather, we might use this knowledge to improve our experience on days when sleep eludes us.
So, have you ever felt unusually great after a night you thought you slept poorly? Have you already used affirmations or another psychological intervention to get the effects of placebo sleep? Stay curious.